In this session, we will see the VS Code installation. In the earlier session, we have seen what is VS Code. We have understood the VS Code. Now, how do you install the VS Code? Well, it is pretty easy, not a big deal. You go here and just go to the VS Code, this page, and you will see the download button specific to your operating system. Presently, I am using Mac, so download Mac Universal, it shows something like this. Click over here and you can expect one dialog. Automatically, it will start downloading the VS Code. If this dialog doesn't pop up, you just go over here, right? You just go over here and click here. Same thing will happen. Okay. Sometimes it will not open automatically. You need to do it manually. So once you install it, follow the steps. Follow the steps. It is not that difficult, right? You just double click whatever gets downloaded and VS Code would be started, or VS Code would be getting installed on your machine. Now, when you say, yeah, see here they have given in detail setup, install VS Code, what is the user interface, setting, and all other things. But just if you want to see, you can see these two things and that's it. You don't need to do anything. Okay. I also have written basic steps over here. You may go through it. Now consider that you have installed the VS Code on your machine. So simply you can search the VS Code. I'm using Mac. So just type VS Code and click on this option and this thing will open on your machine. We have seen all these things in the earlier session. What do you mean by these icons and other things? I'm going to come to the VS Code one more time. Whenever we will start learning the JavaScript, we will see the VS Code one more time. We will revise it. Okay. Now, once you install the VS Code and this thing is on your machine, this thing is open on your machine, VS Code is successfully installed on your machine. Either you can go through these things, right? Either you can go through these things. Just click on the setup, you will get in detail thing, right? You can select your platform, Mac, Windows, or whatever it is, and they have given some things. Or you can follow these steps. I already have written these steps over here in the notebook. VS Code installation steps. The thing you will do immediately after installing the VS Code, you will open the VS Code, right? And see, and you will try to see everything looks same or not. If you see something like this, congratulations, your VS Code installation has been done. It's not a big deal. I'm not investing a lot of time on this thing because I need to invest my time in a lot of other things which are very important in this MERN stack course. So, and I want to teach you to refer the documentation. Referring the documentation is very important. Doing the documentation and referring the documentation is important. So you may refer this documentation and get it done on your machine. Well, if you get any query, any question while installing the VS Code, please write the comment in the comment box, or you can send me the message. Thank you. That's all about this second topic, VS Code installation. Thank you.